What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kolu from Kolu's Garage and stuff. Today we're gonna be talking about 5 reasons you should buy a Miata. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reasons. So let's get into this video, y'all. All right, guys, it's currently downpouring, and these aren't for real window seals. They're actually off of like some Cummins that, I don't know, like off the bed or something. I don't know. It's a Miata, you know what I'm saying? So it's raining really hard right now, and I've got track tires on this car. So if anybody knows about, you know, tracking your car versus, you know, just all-weather tires, and you know that track tires in the rain is just a bad gig. It doesn't really work. Still gonna send it. Yeah, guys. So I'm gonna give you the 5 reasons I think you should buy a Miata. Reason number 1. This thing gets the best gas mileage in the entire world. I know a lot of you are gonna be like, Kolu, it only gets 28 miles to the gallon. I disagree. I think as long as you're playing music and you're happy in this little thing, it doesn't run out of gas. Like, my car has been on an 1/8 of a tank for like 600 miles. Maybe I got something wrong with my car, I don't know. But I really haven't filled up in so long. It's been months. Maybe because it's been broken. All right, guys, well, it's kind of good on gas, all right? That's reason number 1. It gets better gas mileage than my 300. My 300, I think, averages about 12 miles a gallon. So anything over 12, we're good, okay? And you can put 91 in here, you can put 87, you can put 2-stroke, you can put diesel, you can put E85. It really doesn't matter. You can put anything in this bad boy, and you'll be set. You'll be good to go. That's just how Miata works. I'm sorry if it's really loud, guys. There's like no insulation in here. Reason number 2. It's cheap. This car is very cheap, believe it or not. And it's a convertible. You get to take the top down when it's nice out, summertime. You just pull your top off, cruising down the road, feeling great. It's awesome. It's really fun to just get that wind in your hair. And you've never owned a convertible before, you need to get one. They're really dangerous, and you're like probably gonna die, you know, probably 80% more of a chance of dying in this than you would driving any modern car today. But that's the risk you take to have fun, right? YOLO, I guess? I don't know. What do people say these days? So yeah, guys, it's cheap. Parts for it are cheap. Oil changes are cheap. Gas is cheap. Wheels are cheap. Everything's cheap for this car. Reason number 3. This thing can corner like IndyCar, okay? You put some nittos on here and lower it a little bit, and you're taking corners like Aaron Spaghetti. You can take corners like a go-kart because it's so small, it's so low to the ground. You can corner like a beast in this thing. I'm pretty sure it's flash flooding right now, and I should probably get home. Yeah, guys, this thing handles amazingly. I mean, as long as it's not snowing, no ice, no rain, no sleet, no moisture on the road, no black top, you know, and you'll be great. You're yeah! All right, reason number 4. Have you guys ever seen Tokyo Drift? Well, if you haven't, don't worry, because you can live it with a Miata. This thing might be 25 years old. It might only have 96 horsepower and 100 foot-pounds of torque. Well, let me tell you, this thing is rear-wheel drive, baby. We're not those little stupid Ford STs and Honda Civics and all those stupid front-wheel drive cars. We're not no Talon. Talon's all-wheel drive. So what? We're a Miata, and this thing is rear-wheel drive, which means really, really drift. That's what that means. R-E-A-L-L-Y, W-E-A-L-L-Y, Dwift, D-W-I-F-T. Granted, you have to be on snow and ice or rainy conditions on blacktop to really get the wheels to spin. But let me tell you, once they go, man, it's a blast. It really is. It's fun. Reason number 5, baby. This is the one. Number 5, guys. It's reliable. Let me tell you, this car is very reliable. I know I'm gonna have those dudes, and you're like, bro, I was running mine on like half a quart of oil for like 600 miles in the engine. But I don't even know why. Okay, well, first of all, dingus brain, you gotta put oil in it. Anybody that's blown a Miata engine due to being irresponsible will probably complain about it. Like, bro, I had no coolant in mine. I was running it with no oil, and I was redlining it for like 600 miles, and it blew up. This thing's not reliable. All right, look. If you keep oil in this car, you keep coolant in it, and and you do your maintenance and your 1,000-mile checkups and stuff, dude, you're gonna have a blast. You're gonna have a great, reliable, amazing car for really cheap. And they will last 300,000, 400,000 miles, some of them. I seen a dude that beat the crap out of his car that had 350,000 miles on it. You cannot tell me that was just luck. It's because he did his oil changes, he did his monthly checkups, or his 1,000-mile checkups, and he took care of his car. So, if you guys want a fun, convertible, rear-wheel drive, cheap car, get a Miata. Get a Miata. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy Kolu. God bless. As always, I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later.